Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can record on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. And right here under it, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to record on the PlayStation 5, first of all, you need to be in a game. For example, I'm in Roblox right now. So in order to start recording, just go ahead and click on the share button on your controller. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find the option to save recent gameplay. Here you can take a screenshot, and right here you can take or start a new recording. And in the right, you're gonna find broadcast, share screen, and lastly here you're gonna find the capture options. So right now, I'm gonna click on start new recording. And as you can see guys, right now, I am recording on the PlayStation 5. Once you finish recording, go ahead and click again on share, and then you can click on stop recording, and right now the recording is saved. So right now, if you want to find your recording, it's pretty easy. Just go to the home page and then go to the media gallery, and right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your recordings. Go ahead and click on recording and you can play it from here. You can also share it if you want by clicking on share. And basically guys, now you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.